In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a certificate in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where you want to build the certificate. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for the platform. From that menu, click on Memberships. This section is where Gohighlevel lets you manage learning content, member experiences, and related assets like credentials and certificates. After you open Memberships, move your attention to the top menu and click on Credentials. This is the area where certificates and similar recognition items are created and managed. Now, on the right-hand side of the screen, click on Create. A menu or creation prompt will appear, and from there, choose Create a Certificate. This tells Gohighlevel that you want to generate a certificate rather than another type of credential. Next, select the option to use a template. Choosing from a template is usually the fastest way to get started because it gives you a professional layout right away instead of building everything from scratch. After selecting that option, click Create to move forward. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose your template. Take a moment to look through the available designs and pick the one that best fits your brand, course, or program style. Think about the overall tone you want the certificate to have, whether that's formal, modern, minimal, or more decorative. Once you've chosen the template you want, click Create again. Now you'll be taken into the certificate editor where you can start customizing the design. This is the part where you make the certificate your own. You can begin adjusting the content and visual elements so it matches your organization or training program. From here, add the certificate name, signature, colors, and any other relevant design details available in the editor. This is where you can refine the final look and make sure the certificate feels polished and professional. It's a good idea to keep your design clean and readable, especially if the certificate will be printed or shared digitally. Make sure the text stands out clearly against the background and try to keep your branding consistent with the rest of your course materials. Once you finish customizing everything, your certificate will be ready for use within Gohighlevel, and that's how you create a certificate in Gohighlevel.